Sampath Engineering Service. Shop is split air condition. Model shaft. Problem E1 error. E1 error, outdoor compressor not working. See, no problem. Outdoor pressure cutout, pressure switch. Me this one where pressure cutout blink. Pressure cutout. Pressure cutout direct. Pressure cutout. See, is HH high pressure, LP low pressure. Low pressure direct, high pressure non direct. After off, now E1, now remote off. Rest on. Now see, no error. Now indoor fan work. See the DC UVW fan and motor oil. System temperature. Window card working. LED blink. 5 minutes after, 2 minutes after. Compressor on. Contactor on. This fan, DC fan. Now start DC. This outdoor fan. Now high speed. Now full speed. Check problem. E1 problem, sharp air condition, outdoor pressure cutout. Now jumping, now working okay. This lamp, compressor. This compressor neutral. This compressor neutral. This compressor, this wire compressor, lamp compressor. This red direct common. See, take lamp. Now see stop. Now see stop for system remote. See, all off. Now okay, good working. Sampath Engineering Service, PCB repair and service, all air condition, washing machine, refrigerator, oven, all electrical item and work and repair.